Buenos días. Yeah, I'm about to start my morning, and I usually set my alarm 10 to 5 minutes before I actually have to wake up because I like to lay in bed and I either say a prayer or I meditate for a little while. And I'll say a positive affirmation until I finish the whole loop around. So that would take me maybe 10 to 15 minutes depending how long the affirmation is. And I usually want to start with like a positive, emotion, vibe, thought. A lot of the times I stretch because I work out the day before, so I'm kind of like tense and I have scoliosis. So I like to do it in the bed for like a couple minutes. So it goes a little something like this. I learned the stretches when I was doing rehabilitation for my condition. So I learned it at a really young age, at the age of 13, 14, to stretch because it just keeps my body well aligned and it helps with like the pressure throughout the day of standing or sitting for too long or traveling in planes. And also it just keeps me grounded and like quiet for a couple minutes before I get out of bed. And then after I'm done, I get out of bed and I say thank you before I touch the ground. And I start my day. I love having breakfast. It's usually sweet because I don't drink coffee that often. I love the flavor, but sugar keeps me going throughout the day. Okay, I kind of OD'd on that. Keep it healthy with the fruits, kids. If I don't have time, I'll do my vitamins, a smoothie, or orange juice with my vitamins, and to have a breakfast snack. But today I have a little bit of time, so I'm doing the pancakes. Carbs. And that's the other thing, I'm a slow eater, so it takes me a little while. So, second thing of the morning is brush my teeth, because nobody wants to be around someone with stanky breath. One of the things I still haven't found out is why we always, or at least I do, wet the toothbrush and wet it again before putting it into your mouth is the weirdest thing. Is it weird if I do my tongue? You basically could do an ASMR video at the same time. The other things I love doing is, because I wake up looking all disheveled, I brush my brows in the morning because they look kind of crazy as soon as I wake up. So I like brushing my brows upward rather than sideways. That bothers me. I like upwards. And then I'll just... Ooh, what to wear? So I'm gonna pick out an outfit today because I have a meeting with Farfetch. So of course I wanna look cute and fashionable and, ooh, I think I found something here. This will do. This is gonna look cute. A little cinched at the waist. Okay guys, you guys just gotta go. So, some final touches. Gotta accessorize. It's just a matter of picking out which one. A little color, little cage. Kind of cute. Or we do, ooh, the classic spiky hoop. It is. There we go. Okay. Y nos vamos. So I am ready for my day, and I'm so happy you guys came to wake me up. Pero ahora se tienen que ir porque yo tengo que ir a hacer mis gestiones.